This morning, during the morning hours, approximately 5 individuals were arrested and charged with various charges of insurance fraud, patient brokering, and solicitation. The arrests occurred between Martin County, Palm Beach County, and Dade County. The arrest was an investigation that was being worked on between the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, my agency, the Division of Insurance Fraud, and the State Attorney's Office in Palm Beach and Martin County. Essentially what was going on is people involved in vehicle accidents, and within the 60-day period, they're being called, solicited to come to clinics. They're being offered money to become patients, and that sometimes they're being given instructions to say that they're injured when they're not. They're being paid to go to these clinics and act as patients, and then, in essence, the clinics are billing the insurance companies at times the services that are being rendered.
Where are they? How do you guys find out about them?
This particular one was from a civilian complainant who was reached out and knew that it was illegal to be called ahead of time and contacted the Palm Beach Sheriff's Office. Palm Beach Sheriff's Office contacted us, and then we began an undercover investigation where essentially we had undercover detectives posing as patients that went into these clinics and they got solicited and also offered money to become runners and brokers to bring more patients into these clinics.
And you guys are here at an attorney's office upstairs. What's going on up there?
Mellinger's attorney at the law firm upstairs. We're conducting a search warrant right now. The attorney is also being charged as part of this solicitation and patient brokering scheme. We have another attorney, Brian Greenspoon, who's also been arrested for his participation, and we also arrested a chiro that's involved. We have another chiro that we're looking for at this time. So essentially we have 2 attorneys, there was essentially 2 chiros, runners, organizers. We have 7 people in total that we're looking to arrest. 5 have been arrested, 2 are still outstanding.
How do they pull this off?
A lot of lying, correct. It's an ongoing, it's a 1-year investigation. The investigation is still going. As you know, we're upstairs conducting a search warrant. We anticipate finding more evidence of more criminalities. We'll follow up on that as we go on.
How prevalent of a problem is this in Florida?
It's a big problem. Yeah, the solicitation, reaching out to patients ahead of time. There's a 60-day window. They're not supposed to reach out to patients after an accident. And some of these accidents occur, and immediately within a day, patients are being called, accident victims are being called and solicited to come to clinics to treat. And sometimes the patients are not injured, but they're being told, you know, you can make some money if you come to these clinics. And essentially, the clinics are going to make a lot of money based on the billing for the services not being rendered. And for the most part, law firms get involved in this because there's bodily injury, BI claims, and so on, where they can sue and demand for other parts of the insurance money that's out there.
So will patients be arrested? Do you expect that?
The investigation is still going on.
And what kind of impact does this have on maybe the greater insurance industry? I mean, do incidents like this make our law-abiding citizens' premiums go up?
Absolutely. If you get involved in an insurance in a vehicle accident and you're not hurt, but you go to a clinic and claim that you're hurt, and then the clinics are billing for these fraudulent claims, eventually the insurance industry is going to pass along premium hikes up to the general public. So we all pay for it, including me.